In this video, I'm going to show you how to leverage ChatGPT to create high-converting, SEO-optimized Pinterest pin titles for your blog. Let's get started. First, I'm starting on the ChatGPT main page. I have my prompts prepared in a notepad to keep things organized. I'll start by giving ChatGPT a specific persona and a clear set of instructions. I want it to act as my professional Pinterest pin title writer, focusing on keyword-rich, compelling titles that stop users from scrolling and encourage clicks. I copy this detailed persona prompt from my notes, paste it into the message bar, and hit send. ChatGPT provides two different styles for how it can assist me. I'll take a moment to look through both response options to see which one fits my brand voice better. I prefer the structured approach and the specific examples given in the first option. Now that the AI knows exactly what I'm looking for, I'll ask it to write 10 pin titles for a specific blog post. This one is about productivity tips for work-from-home professionals. I'm asking for a mix of styles, including benefit-driven, list-based, and curiosity-driven titles to see what resonates. I paste the prompt, and as you can see, it generates a great list of options, like 15 work-from-home productivity tips and 10 proven productivity hacks for remote workers. Moving on, I want to try a different niche to test the versatility. I head back to my notepad to copy a prompt for a meal planning blog post aimed at beginners on a budget. I want these to be specifically SEO optimized and between 40 and 60 characters. After pasting and sending, ChatGPT delivers 8 titles that are perfectly sized for Pinterest displays. It even lists the high-intent keywords it naturally includes, like budget meal plan and meal prep on a budget, which is incredibly helpful for my search strategy. Finally, I'll show you how to handle multiple content types in one go. I copy a final prompt that asks for 3 titles each for 4 different categories: a tutorial, a listicle, a personal finance post, and a recipe post. I paste this request and hit enter. Now I have a diverse range of titles, from starting a podcast to saving money in your 20s. This workflow allows me to quickly brainstorm dozens of high-quality ideas that are ready to be turned into pins. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.